Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our lecture number 19 and this relates to appraisal techniques, investment appraisal techniques. First technique is accounting rate of return or ARR method. The accounting rate of return is calculated for the specific project, not for a company's project, and ARR of a capital project is percentage of profit by the investment, means what is the profit and what is the average investment, a percentage among these. Suppose ARR is 10%. It means that project is expected to earn rupees 10 yearly, rupees 10 every year out of the investment of rupees 100. However, the ARR does not consider the concept of time value of money. What is the selection criteria? If there is a single project, if the ARR of the project is greater than the required rate of return, the project is accepted. And if there are so many projects, then the criteria is when comparing the projects, the project having the higher ARR are more valuable. ARR is based on profit and loss account and balance sheet and considers number 1, sunk cost, the money already spent. Number 2, the carrying cost of assets or book value. Number 3, depreciation of tangibles and amortization of intangibles, and allocated fixed cost. Note: the other methods of capital appraisal do not consider these four. Formulas: number 1, ARR is equal to average annual profit over average investment into 100. Number 2, ARR is equal to average annual profit over initial investment into 100. The difference is in this formula average investment and in this formula initial investment, where average investment is equal to initial cost of asset plus residual value divided by 2 plus working capital, and initial investment is equal to initial cost of asset plus working capital. These are some notes about the formulas. If the question specify the formula, use the desired formula. Otherwise, use the formula number 1 with average investment. You see that we have not stated 2 formulas. The nominator is same, but the denominator is in formula number 1 is average investment and in formula number 2 is the initial investment. If the question specify any formula, you should use that formula. Otherwise, you use the first formula in which there is average investment. Number 2, for the calculation of AR, the accounting profit after depreciation but before tax and interest is used. And you know that profit always vary. The profit vary from year to year throughout the life of the project. Therefore, average annual profit is used for the determination of AR. Now the advantages of AR. Number 1, it is simple to calculate and easy to understand. Number 2, it uses readily available accounting information and requires no special report for the calculation of AR. Number 3, the AR takes into account the income over the total life of the project. These are the advantages of AR. After advantages, here are disadvantages of accounting rate of return. First, it is based on profits rather than cash flows, and you know that profits can be manipulated. Second is, it ignores the time value of money. It is The concept is very much important, and this method ignores that. Because of the different formulas, there may be a confusion in understanding and comparison. You have seen that we have mentioned two formulas. One company is using formula number 1 and second is using formula number 2. The result cannot be compared, and there may be a difficulty in understanding whether which company is uses which formula. Here is an example. Acme company is considering a project of ₹2,50,000, an investment in machinery. The life of the machinery is 5 years and the residual value is ₹30,000. The Acme will require additional investment of 20,000 in working capital. The required rate of return by Acme is 8%. The company uses ARR for evaluation of such projects. The expected profits before depreciation are years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In year 1, profits are 80,000, in year 2, 70,000, in year 3, 60,000, in year 4, 50, and year 5, 40,000. Whether the project is worthwhile, whether it can be accepted or not. Here is a solution of that example. We know ARR is equal to average profit over average investment. First of all, we will calculate the average profit. To calculate the average profit, we also know that the profits are after depreciation but before tax and interest. We have not applied tax or interest, but the profits are before depreciation. So we will first of all calculate the depreciation. Depreciation is equal to investment minus residual value. What is the investment? Rupees 2,50,000 minus residual value, that is rupees 30,000. So it is equal to rupees 2,20,000 rupees and 20,000. This is the depreciation. Now total profits. We have given 5 years profits. 80,000 in first year, second year 70,000, third year 60,000, then 50,000, 40. This comes to rupees 3 lakhs. When we less depreciation, when we deduct depreciation from it, it comes to 80,000. Now this is the profit after depreciation. So what is the life of the machinery? That is 5 years. We divide this by 5. We get rupees 16,000. These are the average profits. You see that the total profit is 80,000. And when we divide it by 5, the years in the life of the machinery, then this is equal to 16,000. This is the average profit. One figure in ARR is average profit. We have calculated the average profit. Now the average investment. Average investment is equal to initial investment plus residual value divided by 2 plus working capital. Now we put the investment value. Investment value is 2,50,000. Residual value is 30,000 divided by 2 plus the working capital is 20,000. When we add up these, this comes to 2,80,000 divided by 2 plus 20,000. When we divide it, it comes to 1,40,000. 1,40,000 plus 20,000, it is equal to 160,000. Now we have average profit 16,000 and the average investment 1,60,000. ARR is equal to average profit divided by average investment. Average profit is 16,000 and average investment is this. This comes to equal to 10%. The required rate of the management is 8%. It is more than, the 10% is more than 8%, so the project is accepted. So the project is project is accepted. Management's required rate.